Everyone, welcome to Lexical Pidgin, and today we're going to be talking about pronouns. When you start learning a new language, one of the first things that you think about is pronouns. You think about how to say we, she, he, they, and the rest of it. So today we're going to be looking at how to say all of these things in Pidgin. So, as you can see, it's almost the same thing as in English. Well, I'm not surprised because it's called Pidgin English. You say I the same way, and then he, she, and it are E. But if you do need to emphasize gender, you can say she for female. We remains we, and they becomes them, just like them, but them. In order to appropriately use these pronouns, we have to pair them with a verb. You don't go about saying I, we, she. Of course, you say I am something. So let's go to the most used verb in history, which is the verb to be. Now, in English, we say I am something. You can say I am happy. You can also say I am Nigerian. In Pidgin, it's not the same. We have two categories for to be, which is identity and state. Identity refers to who you are, something that is an inherent characteristic, while state refers to something that's temporary and can change, like where you are or how you feel. In this video, we're going to be focused on identity, which is your characteristic or something that is not changing. We have I am, he is, she is in English. However, in Pidgin, we don't like stress, so we do not conjugate verbs. When it comes to identity, we just stick to be. So it will be I be, he be, she be, them be, we be. Simple. Now, in English, you will say I am a girl or it is a book. However, in Pidgin, we ditch the article and we focus on the story. Let's take a few exercises. How do you say I am a girl? Remember, we just use be. We ditch the article. So I am a girl will be I be girl. Amazing. He is a doctor will be. Look at this. Ditch the article. He is a doctor will be he be doctor. How do you say we are friends? Amazing. We be friends. How do you say they are Nigerians? Good. Them be Nigerians. How do you say it is a book? It be book. Amazing. Now, how do you say they are happy? Well, you can't say them be happy because happiness is a state. And remember, in Pidgin, we separate identity from state. In the next video, I'm going to be telling us how we address be in terms of state. Then you learn how to say they are happy. For now, it's bye-bye from Lexical Pidgin.